5 essential oil that you would like to have in your first aid kit, either at home or especially when you travel, after you will know what kind of benefits you will get from this oil. So first one, and always will be, lavender oil. And the lavender oil, it's having an endless list. Actually, if you look at the chapter of the oils, what they cover and what benefits they have, lavender oil, believe it or not, cover all the tick boxes. Just keep it in your mind. You can find it in internet. So lavender oil is very powerful antiseptic, anti-inflammatory. It heals perfectly well any wounds, burns, cuts, and everything. Especially, it's working really well with burns. And I tested on myself: sunburn, oil burn, any thermal burn, steam burn, anything, working perfectly well with that. So help you as well to release the irritation after insects bites. Perfect. After mosquitoes is the best ever remedy. Everybody knows that lavender actually help you to release your tension, stress, let you sleep better. And not many people don't know that lavender actually helps you to better accept yourself. And why it is happening? Because lavender is vibrating on the frequencies that mother love vibrates. So when you apply oil on yourself, or when you just work with the oil, so what you do, you feel that mother energies around you, and this is how actually it works, and help you to release, help you to heal your relationship with your mother if you have any difficulties over there. So the next oil is going to be lemon oil. Lemon oil. And the lemon, it's help you to normalize the blood pressure, help you to normalize your digestive system. So it will be very helpful when you travel. Yeah, different food, different water, and it is a pretty strong antibacterial. Helps you with the headache, helps you with the nausea and dizziness, and it's wonderful remedy for concentration and memorizing things. So keep it in your mind. Lemon oil, I love it. Even the smell of this, it's always cheering and nice, right? All right, next oil is the peppermint oil. Ta-da! Peppermint oil. It's become transparent. Peppermint oil. And we all used to think, oh, peppermint, nice to put in the behind your ears or just to put it inside your tea. But don't underestimate this oil. Actually, it's very, very strong oil, and you need to work with this very carefully. I mean, one part of thing that is just can help you to release your to refresh your breath, right? Especially if you go for a meeting or something. But another thing, it's very strong antiseptic, antiviral, antibacterial, analgesic. It's release symptoms of cold and flu, help you with dizziness and motion sickness. This is the best oil actually working with this if you have a car sick or any motion sickness. Actually help you to release fear, anxiety, and any tension, right? So restores your energy, help you to protect your energy as well. If you're coming back from meeting or party and if you feel heavy on yourself, just apply 1 drop of mint oil on the palms, rub them, and just to go around your head and around your body. So by doing this, you will protect your aura from any negative penetrations. Helps you to release the muscle pain for the ladies, menstrual pain, and as well help you with overexcitement and with nervousness, right? All right, next oil is the eucalyptus. And the eucalyptus, I have Eucalyptus radiata here, and it's also become transparent because of the green screen. So eucalyptus oil is considered the oil of a good health. It's eucalyptus is the best and the first remedy for any respiratory diseases and weaknesses. So if you have any cold and flu going outside, just keep eucalyptus next to you. It's antiseptic, antiviral, antispasmodic, diuretic. I have a card here, so help me to remember what anti features actually this oil have. Diuretic, expectorant, help you to reduce the fever for you or for your kids, right? So, and it heals perfectly well wounds, cuts, and burns, as well as frost bites. It's the first oil actually that I know that helps with the frost bites. And why it's helping with the frost bites and with burns? Because when you apply eucalyptus, actually, or when you breathe eucalyptus, it brings the oxygen to the place, or to when you inhale it actually, right? So from psychological point of view, is this oil is the oil of actions. It's the masculine oil. It's the oil of movement, direction. So when you start to work with this oil, it will never let you just sit straight on your chair. And the next oil is tea tree oil. And I have tea tree oil from Vivasan. And this oil with, you can't see it properly, with Canuka manuka. Canuka manuka is the wildly grown tea tree. So once it's added to tea tree oil, it's actually enhances the benefits of the oil by 20 times. Right. So let me read it for you, because I have my card here. So because this has so many anti benefits. So it's antiseptic, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, which is good to have with you, especially when you travel. Anti-inflammatory, helps you to stimulate your immune system, heals the wounds, any type of wounds as well, working really well with cuts and burns and so on. Anti-parasitic, help you also to sharpen your focus when you work. So can you imagine mixing this tea tree with lemon oil? It will be perfectly well. Try it when you can't do any work in your office, or for your kids who cannot do the homework. Relieve the tension, anxiety, and mental fatigues. So this is it. Today you know a lot of things about these 5 oils, and I'll keep going for you.